Your first alert forecast with meteorologist Kyle Kiel.
If you plan on attending that Kwqc 6 here this Thursday, you want to make sure you stay plenty hydrated, as we are going to see temperatures back in the 90s. And we'll see the 90s here as early as this afternoon. Right now on Skyview, we have plenty of sunshine. Might be a couple of passing fair weather clouds. Otherwise, we're not really tracking much in the way of cloud cover today. Again, those temperatures are going to get into the 90s. We'll start to notice that humidity increase, but we'll really notice it here tonight and into Tuesday. In fact, Tuesday is when summer officially begins at 4:14 in the morning. We've already had 10 days at or above 90 degrees. So yeah, tell that to Mother Nature. And then tomorrow we do have that first alert day in effect for those feels like temperatures up to 105 degrees or more. Could see a few storms here Tuesday night. We'll talk about that potential here in just a couple moments. Obviously not going to see any storms today because our high resolution satellite has absolutely no cloud cover. Again, maybe just a couple fair weather clouds around here today, but we do have a cold front here that's developing up in the upper plain states, and that is going to get here by Tuesday evening. It's going to be too warm to get storms during the day Tuesday, but by Tuesday night, we could see a few storms develop here in eastern Iowa and western Illinois. Right now, we have 88 degrees in Moline as well as Muscatine and Washington, 85 in Burlington, 86 degrees in Savannah and Galena. There's not much of a feels like temperature because of the fact that we have relatively comfortable dew points. It's starting to get a little noticeable, though, once we get at or above 60 degrees. But you'll notice here, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, we're getting into that muggy category. This all is tracking to the east, so those dew points are going to increase, and we'll especially notice it here tomorrow. In fact, regionally, we have 72 for that dew point in Omaha, 69 in Sioux Falls, Mason City, Iowa at 71 degrees. So that's just kind of an idea of what's to come here as we head into Tuesday. So for this afternoon, we actually have a decent breeze out of the southwest, anywhere from 10 to 15. So that's making it feel just a little bit better. We'll have temperatures back in the lower to middle 90s. We'll average about 95 in the Quad Cities. Down to around 70 tonight. Could be a few upper 60s to the north, so definitely one of those nights that you will want the AC to get going. Tomorrow, we're going to be even warmer than today. In fact, we're talking mid to upper 90s. Notice Princeton, forecast high of 99 degrees, 98 degrees in the Quad Cities, as well as Clinton and Muscatine. But when you factor in those heat index values, we could be anywhere from 100 to potentially as high as 110 degrees for those dew points. So that's why we've issued a first alert day here for the entire TV6 viewing area. This will start about this time tomorrow and go until about 8 o'clock in the evening. And again, these peak heat index values could be anywhere from 100 to as high as 107 there in Kiel and Burlington. So definitely want to stay hydrated, wear loose-fitted, light-colored clothing, and take extra breaks if you do have to work outside here as we head into your Tuesday. Now, as I mentioned, during the day Tuesday, we're not going to see much in the way of cloud cover, and that's going to continue here through the afternoon hours. But notice here, this is the cold front that we see the change in wind direction. Could spark a couple of storms here around 5 or 6 o'clock, but a better chance for storms in the QCA going to come after 8 o'clock. In fact, here we are at 10 o'clock. A few of these storms could get going. A couple of those could be strong, maybe severe. We have a level 1 marginal risk if these storms get developed here as we head into Tuesday evening. It's not a slam dunk, but a couple of those could have some hail or some gusty wind. So we got the first alert day for those upper 90s here on Tuesday. There's that chance for storms coming in Tuesday evening, but we'll dry out here on Wednesday with slightly cooler temperatures. But we're back to the heat and humidity here Thursday in time for that Kwqc 6 with another round of storms coming here Friday and Saturday. And in fact, Sunday actually looks to be a little bit cooler as well. We could have those temperatures even cooler than that 88, so we might go back to more seasonable conditions.
Yeah, what a great weekend that we just had.
Oh, it was beautiful. We had the low humidity. We had plenty of sunshine. Really couldn't ask for much better here for Father's Day.
Windows open at night.
Yeah.
Loved it.
This is nice.
Yeah, well, here comes the heat again.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Kyle. Yep.